You is still wondering how do I get to this website? Once you click on Autodesk Tinkercad, tinkercad.com dashboard, click on collections if you have any collections. Else you can click on design, okay, designs. Click on new, click circuit, okay, click circuit. You will be brought to this blank page. There will be some tutorial that can guide you as you move along by drag and drop all the components. We have a resistor here. Okay, to change the resistor, you can name the resistor perhaps as R1 with any value that you like for the resistor, whether is it in kilo ohm or mega ohm. Okay, if you do not like the resistor, you can return it back to the board on the right by clicking the bin delete button. Okay, so today I will just show you that you will need to drag this breadboard. Maybe we will get a breadboard that is a bit larger than this large breadboard here. See whether can we drag it out. Okay, I have a one breadboard here. Okay, and as usual, because you already got the breadboard, you will need to lay out your jumper. So basically, the top one will be your power line. Power line, it should be red in color, and the bottom one will be your ground, which should be black in color. Again, need to do the connection. Need to do the same connection. Here should be red in color. Okay, the black one should will be your ground. Okay, the top one will be your VCC. So this should be connected to a battery. Maybe we can get some battery first. Battery, okay, battery. There's a few type of battery to choose from. I will just use a coin cell 3 volt battery. Okay, I'll just take a coin cell 3 volt battery over here. We'll need to rotate the battery. Okay, like that. So the positive one connect to the positive side. The negative one connect to the negative, which is the ground. Once you have done that, okay, if you are looking for an IC chip, okay, IC chip, you will need to type what kind of IC chip do you need. So if you are looking for an OR gate IC chip, okay, you need to type OR gate. The OR gate, it will be quad OR gate 7432. Okay, 7432. You can take the 7432 OR gate, place it on the board. Then the next one, you can look for, okay, maybe you can give a title here first, OR gate. Okay, and the next one, you will need to look for AND gate. AND gate, type the word AND gate. AND gate. So we have the quad AND gate 7408. 7408 AND gate. And lastly, we should have the NOT gate. The NOT gate. Okay. This NOT gate. Okay, maybe it's a bit difficult to find over here. So I'll just type the IC cell, which will be a 7404. Okay, inverter. So for this, you need to make sure that the NOT gate, you don't write the word NOT gate, just write the word inverter, then you will be able to find the 7404. And again, you need to power them up. See, so this will be your VCC. VCC. Okay, here will be your VCC. So I need to make sure this alignment is correct. I will just move it to the left a bit. Then here is your ground. Okay, make sure the color is black. Ground. Okay, this one the alignment is not right. Maybe I'll just shift it here. Put it ground. And again, this VCC. I will also need to change. Put it here. and change the color to red. Okay, and so on. This one need to change to VCC. So this is just the basic IC chip layout to get your 7404, 7408, 7432. 7404 which is your NOT gate. Okay, 7408 which is your AND gate, and 7432 which is your OR gate. The first basic component layout.